Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. What is a goal that you have for yourself? What is one of your biggest dreams? What is something that you would like to do, be, or accomplish in your life? Imagine this goal or this dream as if it has already happened. Imagine you living this dream or achieving this goal as if it were a memory. Play through achieving this goal in your mind like a movie. What is the goal you would like to achieve? What are you doing in this scene that you are imagining? Who is with you cheering you on? How do you feel to have this moment come true? How does this success feel in your body? How do you feel? How might you feel different now that you have achieved this goal? What's one thing that you need to start doing or continue doing to reach this goal? What is a character trait that you need to have to reach this goal? Do you need determination, bravery, strength, perseverance, dedication? What is a character trait you need to have in order to reach this goal? What is another quality or character trait you need to achieve this goal? What is one thing you can do today or this week to help prepare you to achieve this goal? Maybe it's asking somebody questions, practicing a new skill, or asking for help. What is one thing you can do today or this week to prepare you to achieve this goal? And now, once again, picture yourself living this dream or goal as if you've already achieved it. Imagine it like a movie, a moment in time where you reached this goal. Imagine your smile, the way you feel, your emotions, and the people who are happy for you, and the people who are proud of you. take a moment just to imagine. Imagine achieving this goal. Imagine it coming true. Imagine how it makes you feel. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers. Wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.